When she let you go, she may have thought it was the right decision, perhaps believing she could replace you or that your value in her life was less than it truly was. But while she released you from her world, she couldn't erase you from her. Now thoughts. This piece explores why your presence lingers in her mind and how Stoic wisdom can guide you to understand this dynamic with clarity, dignity, and peace. The illusion of freedom. She convinced herself that letting you go meant freedom. Freedom to explore, to breathe, to live without the weight of the relationship. At first, it feels like liberation, like stepping out of a confined space. But freedom without purpose is fleeting. It's like sailing without a map, exhilarating at first, but disorienting when the horizon stays empty. She thought independence would bring peace, but instead it brought a growing silence. The absence of your texts, calls, and small gestures creates a void she didn't anticipate. At first, she mistakes this emptiness for space, but soon it feels like loss. She scrolls through her phone, expecting your name, only to find nothing. That freedom becomes a reminder of what she's lost. Stoic wisdom teaches that true freedom comes from self-mastery, not from cutting ties. By standing firm, rooted in discipline, you didn't chase or beg. Your composure speaks louder than words, unsettling her in ways she didn't expect. While she performs happiness for the world, the quiet moments reveal the truth. Her freedom feels more like loneliness. The echo of absence. Your absence isn't just a void. It's an echo that grows louder with time. She may tell herself it doesn't matter, that your silence proves you've moved on, but silence has a way of pressing in, forcing reflection. Every quiet morning without your message, every evening without your presence, amplifies the weight of what's gone. She remembers the stability you brought, the good morning texts, the steady presence that anchored her. Now the blank screen and quiet nights remind her of what she walked away from. Marcus Aurelius said, "Silence is a form of wisdom." By choosing not to chase or explain, you've let silence speak for you. It's a presence she can't argue with or ignore. Your discipline turns absence into a mirror, reflecting the depth of what she lost. Silence doesn't fade, it amplifies, reminding her of the contrast between her life now and the life she had with you. The mirror of comparison. Every new person she meets becomes a reflection of you. Whether on a date or in casual conversation, her mind measures them against the standard you set. You were grounded, steady, and unmoved by the need for validation. That kind of presence doesn't vanish. It becomes the quiet benchmark for everyone who follows. She notices the flaws in others, their impatience, their neediness, their lack of depth. These moments spark memories of your calm, your discipline, your quiet confidence. Epictetus said, "No man is free who is not master of himself." Your self-mastery made you stand out, and now it's the yardstick she can't escape. She thought letting you go would open the door to something better, but instead it sharpened the contrast. Others may charm her, but they can't match the imprint you left. Your presence lingers as the standard she unknowingly holds others to. The weight of what if over time, her mind wanders into the realm of what if. What if she had stayed? What if she misjudged you? These questions creep in during quiet moments, peeling away her pride. She thought her decision was final, but your silence makes her doubt. Regret grows not from what she did, but from what you didn't do. You didn't beg or chase. You didn't give her the reaction she expected. Instead, you chose stillness, letting her decision stand. This unsettles her, denying her the closure she thought she'd have. Epictetus taught, "It is not things themselves that disturb us, but our judgments about them." She judged leaving you as liberation, but now that judgment haunts her. While you remain free through self-mastery, she's trapped by the weight of unanswered questions, wondering if she let go of something irreplaceable. The shock of your stillness She expected noise, anger, pleading, or a desperate attempt to win her back. Instead, you gave her silence, a calm acceptance that flipped her expectations. Stillness isn't weakness, it's strength. It's the discipline to walk away without drama, to hold your ground without proving your worth. This composure shakes her because it defies the script she anticipated. She replays those final moments, expecting you to fight or beg, but you stood, steady. That image, a man choosing calm over chaos, lingers in her mind. Stoicism teaches that true power lies in self-control, and your stillness proves it. She thought she was in control, but your silence rewrote the narrative. It leaves her, questioning why you didn't chase, why you didn't break. That quiet strength becomes a memory she can't escape, a storm in her mind that grows louder with time. The curiosity that burns as your silence persists, curiosity takes hold. She wonders what you're doing, who you're with, how you seem, so unshaken. She thought she knew you, your habits, your patterns, but your stillness makes you a mystery again. And mystery, brother, is magnetic. While she's stuck wondering, you've focused on growth, training, working, building a better version of yourself. Epictetus said, "If you want to improve, be content to be thought foolish." You've chosen progress over proving yourself to her. When she sees glimpses of your new life, maybe a post, a photo, or a rumor of your success, it unsettles her. She thought her absence would define you, but instead, it refined you. Your life no longer revolves around her, and that realization burns deeper than jealousy. Her curiosity proves she still cares, even if she denies it. The mask. She can't hold to the world. She appears strong, smiling in photos, laughing with friends, acting like she's moved on. But masks grow heavy. In private, when no one's watching, the facade cracks. She scrolls through her phone, hoping for your name, replaying memories she can't push away. A stoic man doesn't perform for the crowd. Your peace isn't an act, it's real. You didn't stage happiness or broadcast your healing. You simply lived with discipline, focusing on what you could control. Marcus Aurelius said, "If it is not right, do not do it. If it is not true, do not say it." Your authenticity contrasts with her fragile performance. As her act exhausts her, your steady presence in her mind grows stronger. She can't lie to herself when she's alone, and no mask can erase the truth. You're genuine. Strength outlasts her pretense.